Crap load of parts came in for the Vette. All those boxes there for the Vette. These are all going over next door so I can get my showroom back. This is for the Corvette there. So, got a bunch of reconditioned stuff as well. Some of the parts are hard to get for these. So, but we have all the caps, all the facings, everything for it. These are the seats for the Vette. You can see here, they've all been redone. The seats in this thing were white and a mixture of this blue and a darker blue in it as well. So that's what makes that car unique. And it's also called a tanker. And they had a limited number of them where they had a huge gas tank in them. And this is one of them. So, and all the drivetrain and that's all numbers matching, which is really good. He's working on the Vette right now, so he's in the middle of putting the all the wiring, etc. You can see the centerpiece for the stereo, all the wiring in the switches, and then there's the cluster piece for the dash, and we're just in the middle of getting all that in before the carpet goes in, so all the wires are run to the rear. And then we've got all the pipes and bumpers and stuff to put on it next. Finally just got a bunch of this stuff moving for this Vette. So we're just waiting on a few things. He wanted original seat belts even and stuff. And you imagine paying $800 and $900 for a couple of seat belts. It's the way it goes with this stuff.
I'm saying it.
That's
Could
the one
be for you.
All right, finally. Wow. Oh, that's nice. It looks original. Oh yeah, that's going to be nice. Yeah. Instead of amperage, it's voltage, because the old cars were using amperage. So you had a voltage regulator, and then the voltage regulator would control how much amperage and obviously voltage to the alternator. It was separate, but because we put a new design alternator, so now it has to be volts. So we can see voltage, because we couldn't do it with the new style alternator. So yeah, it's going to be good. Yeah, and it looks original, like the original dash. So that's a good feature, because we wanted to keep it as original as possible, because that's what the customer wants. So it's going to look really good. Yeah.
So you can see all the door panels are in. If you have a look up underneath, you can see all the roof. Can you see up there? Headliner, door panels, all the detail and the switches are done. Carpet's on the other side. We're just going to move some stuff around. We're trying to squish up some of the wiring so that there's room in behind the panels. Console's all ready to go. Seats are all ready to go. So we're just get that problem out of the way, and then we can, so this one, same thing, polish it, get it out, road test it.